This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 SET-1. So the question states, an operating system uses Banker's algorithm for deadlock avoidance when managing the allocation of three resource types X, Y and Z. So we have three resources X, Y and Z and three processes 0, 1, P0, P1 and P2. The table given below represents the current system state. So we have three processes with X being allocated in the following manner, X, Y and Z, and these are the max needs. Here the allocation matrix shows the current number of resources of each type allocated to each process, and the max matrix shows the maximum number of resources for each type required by the process during its execution. So these are allocated, these are maximum data process can require. So what is the future need? So what is the need? So need for X, Y and Z. So need is max minus allocation. So it is 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 3, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So this is the future need. Now it is saying there are 3 units of, so what is available? Available. So we have 3 units of X, Y and Z. We have 3 units of X, 2 units of Y and 2 units of Z are still available. The system is currently in safe state. So you do not need to check the safeness of the system. It is given that it is already in safe state. Consider the following 2 independent requests for additional resources in the current state. So the requests are X 0, P0 requests 0 units of X, 0 units of Y and 2 units of Z. Okay, let us try to satisfy these requests. Okay, we to tell which all will be permitted or not. So it is permitted if it leads to safe state and not permitted if it leads to unsafe state. Let us suppose we allow 0, 0, 2. So 0 of this, 0 of this, 2 of this. So what is available? Available is 2 minus 2, 0. 0 will be available over here. Let me do it like this so that we can revert it back. So 0 will be available for this. Now what is the max? So what is the future need? 2 is allocated, so future need get reduced by 2. It becomes 0. Okay. Now max remains like this and allocated is 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Now let us see whether it is safe state or not. So we will check the safe state. Okay. So how will we do this? We need 840, 300 and 122 need to be allocated using 320 in any order. So 840 can't be done as we don't have 8 of X. 300, yes, this can be done. So we can do P1. Okay, so P1 is done first. So when P1 is done, we can allocate 300 to it. So remaining is 300 gets allocated. So remaining is 3 minus 3, 0 gets remained and 3 gets incremented over here. So we get 6. Now it will, after doing its action, it will release all the allocated. So 0 plus 6 becomes 6, 2 plus 2 becomes 4 and 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Okay. Now what we can do? Now either we need to do P1, P0 or P2. P0 can't be done as we don't have 8 of X. Now P2. P2 can't be done as we do not have 2 of Z. So neither P0 can be done, neither P2 can be done. So this means this allocation leads to unsafe state. So request 1 can't be allowed. Now let us see request 2 whether it can be allowed or not. Okay. So request 2 is 2 units of X, 0 units of Y and 0 units of Z. So if we allow 2 units of X, so it gets reduced to 3 minus 2, 1 and they remain as 2 and 2. And 2 units get allocated. So P1 is requesting this. So P1 gets 2 units of X. So what happens now? Now P1 will get 2 units of X. So allocated gets incremented by 2, 3 plus 2, 5. We get like this. Okay, so this is our current state. Now we need to check whether it is safe state or not. So how will we check this? So what we will do is that we will check whether we can allow all these or not. Okay, so we can't allow this as we do not have 8 of X. We do not have 3 of X. We can't do this. We can do P2. P2 can be done. Okay. So P2 will be allocated 1 to 2. We will remain with 0, 0, 0. 1 to 2 will get incremented in this. So it will become 3, 3 and 3. Now it will release this 3, 3 and 3. So we will get here 3, 3 and 3. And P2 is done. Okay. Now we can do P1. Yes, P1 will do. It will get reduced to 0, 3, 3. 3 will get incremented. Now P1 will release all its resources. So P1 will release 5 over here. It will become 8. It will release 2. It will become 5. It will release 0. It will become 3. Now after this P1 is done. Now we need 842 and we have 842 of x, y and z. So this can be, so 8 minus 8 will become 0. 5 minus 4 will become 1. And 3 minus 2 will become 1. And they will get incremented by 842. So it will become 8. It will become 4. It will become 3. Now it will release 843. So it will become 0 plus 8, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 1, 4. So we will get 854. Okay, so this is our answer. As it is leading to safe state, so request 2 can be allowed, request 1 can't be allowed. So answer is only request 2 is permitted. So correct answer is option B.